In this video, we're diving into the top 4 Android settings you absolutely need to turn off in 2025. These simple tweaks can make a big difference, boosting your phone's speed, protecting your privacy, and extending your battery life. Trust me, you won't want to miss a thing, so stay with us until the end for all the essential details. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. The first setting you need to turn off is Google Discover. These days, most Android phones include the Google Discover page, offering news and stories tailored to your interests. However, not everyone is a fan. Some users don't engage with it at all, others find it unnecessary, and many feel it consumes mobile data and background resources, which can slow down budget smartphones, which is a valid concern. The good news? You can easily disable this feature. Just head to your phone's home screen settings and toggle off the option for this page. The second setting you need to turn off is the ability to install unknown apps. Open your phone's settings. Use the search bar for quicker access by typing unknown apps and tapping on Install Unknown Apps. Disable this setting for all apps except your file manager and Chrome. If you don't frequently install apps through Chrome, you can turn it off for Chrome as well. Disabling this prevents unauthorized apps from installing third-party applications and enhances your privacy. Another setting you need to turn off is Location Services. Go back to your settings and search for Location Services. Disable this option and ensure both Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning are turned off. These features can use your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in the background, which drains your battery. Turning them off will help extend your battery life. If earthquake alerts are available in your region, you can leave them enabled. Otherwise, turn them off. You can check supported countries to see if earthquake alerts apply. Lastly, make sure to keep the emergency location service turned on for safety reasons. The final setting to turn off is Usage and Diagnostics. Go to your settings, scroll down to Google, and tap on it. Select All Services. Scroll down to Usage and Diagnostics, then make sure to turn it off. This stops your Android phone from sending usage reports to Google or Android. By doing so, you improve your privacy and may also speed up your device by reducing background processes. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.